Hello, who's this? Can you hear me? George. I think you left already. George, you still with us? I'm not sure. Hello, hello, Desmond, Sukrat. Hello, hello. Amazing. Let's just wait a little bit more so we can gather some more people. If you have questions, just start typing them. I will answer them for sure. Getting some messages. Let me snooze this. Let me change this. Hi, Monica. Hello. Hello, hello. Just wait a little bit more so we can have some more people. Let's see if they join. Hello, we have four now. This is saying two for some reason, but I don't know. Let's just wait a little bit more. I think George left. Three watching. Hmm. Just wait for a little bit more audience. Well, five more minutes, maybe less, maybe less. Thank you for joining. Probably three. Hmm. We're going to talk about marketing and app the apps push notifications. Those are very important. Okay. We have 4 people now. Just wait 4 more minutes. Just 4. For 5. Who joined? Can you say hi in the chat? We have some more people. Ramon. Ramon, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Starting in 2 minutes with whoever's here. We're 6 now. Who joined? Who joined? Say hi or something in the chat. We're starting in 1 minute. Just 1 more minute. We're 7 now. Okay, let's get this started. The people who join are going to learn once I know. So, I think you've heard our team and some of our forums that ask for the one signal keys, right? Let me open this in this one. So those keys that we ask very often are for the apps, the devices to get their the the notification, right? It's very important to get that set up. Okay. Here I'm going to show you the article and how to create a live uh, push notification on Android because that is the easier way. So now let's check this out. For example, first you have to log in into your OneSignal account OneSignal, like this. Log in. Let's try mine. Okay, here we have some. After that, I will follow up the guide and show you how to do this live. We go in add app. We click right now. It's going to be an Android app. This one. Next, configure your platform. We're going to start in Android. I have an Android device here. So here we have some more information that we need. So we get a Firebase account. It's going to be here. So here is how to generate the Firebase sender ID. We have another documentation here. It's very simple. We are 10 now. Let me know. Let me know if you can hear me well and everything. See me and everything. Please just type yes in the chat or something. So let's go here. We have to create this, right? Let's go in Firebase Console. This is like we're doing it together. Here, go. This is in Spanish. Let me change it to English. Like this. Go to console. Here we are. Mauricio. Oh, I don't remember my password, guys. What will be? Oh, you know what? Let me just get this done in the browser, the normal one. Here, Firebase 12 now. Say hi if you can hear me and everything is going smooth. Here we are at the Firebase account. This is brand new. So following the guide, we go here, console, create a new project. Let's do that. Android app. Okay, I accept this, continue. Some information, enable analytics, continue. Where am I? I am part of Mexico team, so let's put that. Let me see where is it. Mexico. I accept this. I accept this also. This is getting created. In the meantime, let's see what else we have here. Create a project, and here we are going to get these two keys, right? Great. Ashar, hello, welcome back. Look at this. We are creating the push notification. We are doing the push notification setup with OneSignal, just so you know. So we are in. Here we go in the, let me see here, project settings, overview, project settings. Here, project settings. The layout might change a little bit in between article and the real app because, well, they improve that every day. We're going to try to get this updated every time. So we grab the server key and the sender ID. The server key, let's look for it in the, where was it? Let's see, cloud messaging. Cloud messaging, we have it here. Here is the server key. Here is the server sender ID. We got those just like that. Now we go as per the manual. We go in your one signal account. You put this. This is the Firebase key, and this is the sender ID. So it linked to your Firebase, right? Now let's go into the next step. Firebase. Now we have to close this. Let's go. This is already set, so we close this. Leave setup. Android is already linked, right? So we have Android covered. That's okay, we can continue with that. So now we have to iOS setup. We won't do it this time. Is you follow this guide and it'll work perfectly. Now we go in settings, keys, keys and IDs. We get this one signal and REST IDs, the keys, and we put it in our ordering editor. For now, let me use the one that I've been using all this time. We have 18. Hello, George. I answered you the email just about 30 minutes ago. I will help you out. I told you. Just give me some time. What is it? Join or nice? We're live. Okay, we have this, and let's go in the ordering website. Let me just get it here. Edit. This is a website. Here. Just put it. Ordering. So let me try it out here. We have it here. Let me see if I can make this join. If not, okay. Let's go here in the demo that we always use. This is going to be for testing. We go as a super admin, more. Now we go in, let's take a look at the article. Settings, push notification, just like that. Settings, push notifications here. In general, we have the keys here. For example, the one that we are looking for is the ordering app, right? Which is this one. So this is already set. Since this is the demo, it'll be the demo keys. Let me see if I can find one for this, because I have to get the password and everything. Let me try something. No, it'll be this. It will work. No, or password. Let me just get it. When you click here, it's not registered, so it will be super admin. If I can't get it, let me just try. Let me just try another account that we have. Or groceries.ordering.co. Just looking for the website. So those are demos, those change a lot. Let me see if I can join here. Super. Yeah. My account. What, this is not a super admin. Okay, let's just try it in this one. General, I put the ID here. Save. I have to restart this in just a few minutes. Now that that is set, okay, what is next in the article? How many are we? 15. With the push notification, people. Yes, Sukrat, I will explain you just after this setup. But yeah, you can do that. It's very cool. Now we have one sign out user out. One sign out user out. Okay, we have that set in the demo. We have it here, and in one signal it will show in settings. Where are we? Settings, keys and IDs. This goes here, and on the builder. So we added in the builder also. Correct. We don't forget about that. User auth key. Here is the user auth key. It's in account. So let's look for it. Here it is. This is the auth key. Okay, generate. Alright. Copy. This is the one that we are going to use for now. Okay. Save this. Okay, that is set. Now we have to match the app ID in the builder, one signal and editor. So let's get in the builder. This is the app that we are using for now. One signal. Let's look for the one signal. Here is the one. So we have this. Okay. Every time we have to update and save it. That's the golden key. This will be set up on the when we create the forms. So don't worry about it. Let me just put the name there. Okay. Ordering. This is a password that is already here. Is the key store file, which we give it to you, so you don't have to worry about it. Let me see if I can find it here. This should be the one. Okay, update. This will load. Then we have to build the app. Now that everything match, this should work perfectly. Let's just build the Pro so we can test it on this real device. Let me turn it on. Galaxy S7. Let's just wait for it to load. So let me answer in the meantime your questions. Okay. So what was here? Key was tempered or password was incorrect. Okay, let me write the password one more time. Okay. This should be ordering. This should be good. Build apps. Build Pro. If this is not working, just let me something else. So let me answer those questions. With the push notifications, I'm getting some push notification already. So Sukrat, with the push notifications, Can I send a special? Yeah, there is the one that I'm going to answer right now. Let me log in with the one signal account for the demos, and I will show you how that works. I will download the demo app. Drain app from the stores. Okay. Okay, let me try this. Let me get this. This is not working properly for some reason. Okay, let me get those accounts. I will download the app, Drain app, from our demos. Okay, I'm downloading here. Let's go to the article. After that is already match, you will see the app, the dashboard will start showing some data, right? So after that, you can see like your users connecting and everything. But for now, let me get the one signer account. Because I don't know it must change for some reason. I'm getting it right now. Just give me a few minutes. Greencorp@gmail. Just 1 second. You know what? I think I remember. Okay. Oh, I understand. Okay. One signal.com. Give me just 1 second. I'm logging in. Okay, I'm in. Now let's look for the ordering app. Ordering app. Let me look for the one that is ours because these are some customer. Oh, did I click something or what? Yeah, I think so. Okay, let this load. This will be how your dashboard will look, but with your apps. So don't worry about it. Let this load. This is how it looks right now. To send a test, the test, the marketing notification secret. Let me show you how. I have to get in the editor once more here and get some. Let me just next this. Next. Sorry. Okay. Let's look at these keys. is the one we need. Okay. Ordering app ID like this. And to demo one. Let me just get it ordering. Okay. Okay. Now let's try the oh, sorry. Let's try the account. Once I know login. This setup is a little bit longer because once I know it takes like some authentication. You will see it in the process. So bear that in mind. We take care of all this and then we give you the administrator um, keys, the administrator privileges to your email or whichever email you tell us to you need it to, and we work on that. Happy. Okay. Let me log in to do it one more time. Okay. Look for the app. Okay. This one. Now in your dashboard, you will see it something like this inside a specific app. If you go in audience, and I open the app in the device, let's say active use all. Oh no, here we have the list of all the users that are using our app. In this case, the ordering app for customers. This is my phone, this one, just use this one, and it got registered right away. We can add this as test users for testing. Mauricio's phone. Add it. And then we can send this user push notification to Crat. This is how we do it. So we go in messages, and then we use this kind of slow. Sorry about that. And we go, for example, new push. Oh, we have one here. Let me take a look. It is opening. It's just a little bit slow. Okay, it's open. You can configure everything here in one signal. You have access for this. And then we have to duplicate this test that we did before and then just send the example. And after that, if you want to send just like marketing notifications and everything about promotions and that, you can do it. It's very, it's a particular segment. Oh, no, no, that segment. Tests. Let me see who's in here. Oh, no. No. Let me check where are we on the testing because we have to use the testing for these situations. This is a bit slow. View users. So test users. Just hang with me, handling me. Okay, this is like this. Okay, now we go in the messages. Based inactive last hour. Let me see. Less than 10. I should be here. Okay. Update. Last hour it only takes 1 hour. So we have to check the segments here and look for the test users in order to test this is really important. New segment. Oh, I have to. Where are the ones that I need? Last hour, 1B user. Okay, let's just use the last hour. Okay, and now it should be my send to Portuguese last hour. Confirm, send message. We got it. You can see in my screen. This is how to create the push notification secret. See? If you want to do some promotions, you can do it this way. Next 3 hours, combos and everything. This is going to help for your platform. So now that is everything set. Let me go back in the article. That is how Socrato. If you have any more questions, just let me know. I know this can be a little bit tricky, but I can simplify it for you. After all that, well, we can measure all the data. Ashar, for testing topic, if you want to add more iOS device for testing, what should I do as developer account? Yeah, for now you just have okay. Yeah, for testing in iOS, you have to add the UDIDs and put the new certificate. I mean, add the new UDIDs in the certificates and then put them in the builder and then build the app one more time. So the app, the devices are saved in the app, and then you can test the notifications with the build test. Remember the one in the builder. Um, what else do we have here? In the builder. This is the builder. This is the website. Let's open the app. This is the app. Okay, build apps. And then after you put the new certificate, you build the test one, this test one. Okay. This is showing this because of the keys. This is the demo. I will create a new ones for everything for tomorrow's class. So, any questions? I think you have a few because this might come as it's more complicated than the other topics, but it's very important because you have to set up this to make your push notification works. We create this for you, and then we give you the access, right? So that way You don't waste a lot of time in this. However, if you want to do it yourself, it's okay by us. So you can maybe spend less time in launching. We deliver the apps working in less than 10 working days. So it's how you feel better with the delivery of the apps. Any questions? Any questions in chat, please? I don't know if I make myself clear, Sukrat, Ashar. What do you think? Let me know. All clear. Okay. I will paste everything in the video description so you can take a look later on. And I will also do another session about this later on because to split the devices, the iOS and Android devices, and explain one individually. Sukrat, still with me? Any questions in the chat? Or everything was clear? No questions? All clear? This is for the push notifications of the apps and how they work. Also, are your apps, the ordering app, delivery app, business app, are connected already? So whenever there's a status change, every app will get a push notification saying what the status of the order is. Example, if the ordering app, uh, well, if the customer orders, the business app will get a push notification, and when the business accepts it, uh, the customer will get a push notification, and every status change, the apps will get notified with the push notifications, just like the one we received. Hmm? No questions for today? Nothing about our subject. What would you like me to talk about next lesson? Can you give tips how to do testing? Okay. Can you give tips how to do testing? To do testing about uh, like an order, or like what? Like how? Ashar, not sure. I will make sure to get to upload another video with the credentials and everything. I just don't have it on hand because the demo changes and restarts and everything. But I make sure to get those for you, and maybe retake the subject just 5 minutes or 10 or something for sure. But the setup is mostly made by us. So if you get stuck somewhere, George, just let us know and we will take care of it. Let's say our web and are ready to go live, but we want to test it at first. What we should do for testing. So if you want to test the push notifications of the status, of the like a normal workflow. Eh, Build all your products as test, like this as test, and then uh, test them in the just create an order and complete a full workflow of the of an order just like that. And the one signal accounts, since those are already set, everything will run smoothly. For example, right now, let me show you right now. If I Let me show you a little here. Oh, come on, business. Before I will use the demos. Okay, this is the demo. Let me show you quick. You might see me in another screen, but let me figure it out for you. Where did it open? It hasn't opened yet. New movie. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, this is me, but you click in File, New Screen Recording. I have to accept this one more time. Okay, okay. I will emulate my phone. Just give me 1 second. File, new screen. Okay, file, new screen. Okay, okay. I'm setting some preferences. No, services. New. Okay, here. Let me connect the phone. View. Trust. Okay. It's not showing my phone. I think it's new. I don't know why it's not showing it. Edit. Movie. Well, I will show you in here. Just like when I will make myself bigger. Like this is square. Something like that. And for example, I am going to create one order as a customer. First, I have to log in the business app. This is the business app. Okay, I will log in just with the demo. Demo, the business at ordering.co, business password. Okay, I'm logged in. Right now, this business owner is the owner of the McDonald's store. So I will order something from there. Everything is in testing. Like when you are testing your business, you can do it this way, right? You create an order, you order it, put some selling products, you set up your account as a customer. Sure. Done. I put the email and phone number and name Then I put the order. Now, when I put the order, I get push notifications like this. This is how you can test all your software just by I mean, since everything is in testing mode, you can do it this way and it will work perfectly for you. This was one example of it. I mean, you can start assigning the driver. For example, let me log in as the driver here. Okay, I will log in as a driver also. About this, yeah. So I'm already logged in. When the business app accepts this, you will get a push notification here. Okay, it delivered. It was okay. And when I it's a top, and when I assign it a driver has been assigned. The driver gets notified also, so you can see how to how to do all this, like test and everything, so everything runs smoothly. And when you deliver this to your customers, it works perfectly. Okay, let me just do this and this. Okay, so we have some question from Desmond. Can the system be integrated with external APIs? Mm, we can create integrations with different APIs, but what do you mean? What are you trying to achieve? Because there are some things that we will have to help you with. Just work a little bit more on that question. I will help you. Sukrat, yeah, we will help you to integrate and to make everything work. Don't worry about it. After testing, can we clear data? Yes, in one signal you can clear the data, but what data do you mean? Like the orders and everything, or what? Because we can help you clear your database in situations of if you made 100 orders just for testing, we can delete those just by clicking. Let me show you the demo here in orders manager here. If you click here, you have this delete button here, Ashar. So if you created a lot of test orders, just delete them here. Put your password, in this case super, delete, and they are gone. So you can start clean. Um, any yeah, okay. Any possible we can Skype meeting, please for another day. Please really need your help. What before the meeting, please send a ticket to support at ordering.co. If we can't help you with that, I mean in chat, we in the in support email, I will ask somebody to help you, some of our agents, or if not, I will help you myself. So before that, please send an email to support at ordering.co or create a ticket right here so we can take a look at that. Sukrat. Uh, fill all this information. I will get back to you in less than 24 hours. Uh, Ashar, I don't know if I answered the question with that delete button. This delete button, like the trash can here. Let me know. Yes, thanks. Amazing. That'll do. That'll do the work, I think. If you need something else, like deleting something else, just let us know and we will see how to help you with that. Maybe we can be faster than just clicking here and stuff. But you let us know. Uh, Desmond, I don't know if I answered your question. Please let me know. What about the number? It starts from 1. I think it'll start from the last order. But if you needed to start from 1, we can help you with that. Let me just try it out. Delete, delete, delete. Well, we have some more here. We have a lot of here. Uh, no, for now it'll start from the last number that we had, Ashar. If you want it to start from 1, we will have to do some changes in the database, in your database. So once you are in that stage of your project, let me know and I will help you with that. No problem. Let me make this smaller. What else? What else, guys? Any questions? Anything? My pleasure, Ashar. I got you. Any questions? Anything? How do I contact you? My, do you have a Skype? I answer emails every less than 24 hours. Send me an email to mauricio@ordering.co or submit a ticket or send a support to support. Send it to support. Siama Kivi, Siama. And check out there is a ASAP checkbox. It is possible to disable it at checkout. Let's take a look at what you mean. I think this was answered before by Carlos Gomez or something because he asked me something about it. Let's see. At this, I will just go to checkout to answer Siama. If I'm telling your name incorrectly, sorry. Do you mean this one, Siama? Ahmed, uh, those ordering support QR codes where the customer. Okay, Siama answered yes. This is a variable, a lang variable, so it can be changed just by looking for it. Let me look for it. I click more, admin area more, language manager. Let's see if I can find it easily here. This is the checkout ASAP. So what you will have to do is to put something like this in both. So it'll just be a line, you know, because if you leave it empty, it'll just get back to the same. This is an easy way to remove it. If you need like something like remove it entirely because this part of the website contains another variable, so it needs to be there. If you need to remove it like differently, it'll have to be you will have to go inside your builder and change the developers to the module, look for the file and all that. I think I've explained it before in other in the last class, so you can take a look. Let me refresh the cache. Thank you, Siama. So Ahmed, let's get back to yours. This is because of the cache. It will change eventually. Let me try incognito. Mm, Let me see if I can find it changing, right? Just give me 1 second. I will create a new order. Phase 1, any business, any products, just a glass. Well, 2, no thanks. Continue. This will be because of the cache. We'll have to clear it and it will stop showing here. But yeah, that is the way, Siama. Um, Let's see, what do we have? What do we have? Ahmed, does ordering support QR codes where customers can order and pay at the table? The QR codes are generated by using an URL. So if you put any URL from the ordering website, for example, if you want the customer to be sent to your home, oh, for example, this one, you have to create the QR code, sorry. For example, just use this app, and then you have to put a website and URL here. And now, if I try to read this code, I will try with my phone right now. Check this. I will make my screen bigger. Oh no, no, no. Okay, like this. If I try to read it with my phone, it'll open here at the top, and then when I open, it'll send to the ordering website uh, that I put in here. So QR codes are just a link, and in your ordering website you have uh, specific links. For example, if you wanted to be sent just to one product, that product will have a link, and then you can create a QR code. If we do this and put the new QR code, we refresh, and when I read it in my phone with the camera, I just read it. I will click on it, and it'll send to that specific product. Ahmed, you see? Oh, where am I? Yeah, like this, directly. So it will work for you that way. Uh, and to pay, it's not currently, we don't have something like that. For that, the payment gateway must support the QR kind of payments, and then we have to integrate it. It'll be something more advanced, you know. We can quote it for you and let you know. Just send me a quote request here. Quote ordering quote request. I think this is the link. Yeah, you send it to me here, Ahmed, and we will let you know. Integrate with local payment gateways. Okay, the system can integrate with any payment gateway everywhere. I mean, around the world. But we ask for some information like the some API information about the gateway, and we also have to quote it because the integration will require some human work, so we have to solve on that. Payment gateway. Okay, here's a quick article on how it works. How to enable payment method. No. To integrate a different one. Which one is the one that you want to integrate this month? So I can take a look. What if I wrongly upload front end file at builder? What will it do? It will crash the website because I intend to change. Yes, yes, Ashar. Be very careful with the developers tool. Actually, as you can see here in our guide, get help, get ordering help. When we talk about that tool, it says warning here. Warning, be careful when editing this developer section. So be careful, Ashar. Desmond, let me know about the payment gateway. Please, if you have more questions, please write them in the chat so I can help you get them sort out. For the payment gateway, also send me a query request, and our team will we have to do some research about how it works and everything. So it's very important. to be transparent and let you know the price of the integrations. Hmm? Currently we have Stripe and PayPal, and Stripe has Alipay, Bank Contact, Ideal, which are some international payment gateways which you can use. Where are you located, by the way, Desmond? Maybe we have my question. So what is it? It shows that text can be what about the date that shows. Siama, the date that shows it's according to today's date because the system allows the customers to add uh, a different date. So this is today. This is the day of delivery and everything, but they can select a different with the pre-order with the pre-order feature. That is why this is like right now, and the customer knows that this is the this is the time that they are working, that they are at the moment of ordering. Malaysia, Stripe Malaysia. So, for example, FPX mode, Stripe, come. I will answer this question and then uh, this is it for today's lesson. But tomorrow we will be at the same time in the same channel, in ordering channel. Let's say let's look for we have Malaysia is here. So Stripe is already in Malaysia, Ashar, so you can use it, and it's already integrated in the platform. That's very good news. Stripe is one of the best. But if you want to activate the FPX mode, I don't know what's that actually. Stripe. What is that? Can you send me an email on that so I can take a look after that and let you know how to make it work for you? But I don't have FPX. I can find it. What does that mean? You send me an email here so I can take a look. Send me an email here, Ashar, so I can take a look. Yeah. So well, that was today's class. I mean Q&A at the end as always, but that is how to get your apps one sign out set up, the personification and everything. Thank you, everyone. If you have more questions, just leave them here at the chat. I will answer them, or leave it in the comments, and I will help you with that. Remember to fix the create order button after lessons. Oh yeah, I got your email. Actually, I couldn't find the installation, George, because I asked you over email. We can I will work everything out on the email. And well, thank you very much as always. My name is Mauricio uh, Rodriguez. It's Mauricio Cayu Rodriguez. Cayu might be a little weird sometimes to pronounce, but yeah, that's my name. I'm part of the Mexico team here at Ordering, and it was nice meeting you. Tomorrow we have another class. I think it'll be a Q&A of about everything that we've discussed over this week, and let's see how it goes. Thank you very much, guys, for your patience and attention. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.